Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and today we will discuss about triangles. What is a triangle? A triangle is a closed figure formed by three line segments. See, this is a triangle. This is formed by three line segments and this is a closed figure. So, a triangle is a closed figure made by three line segments. This is triangle ABC and triangle ABC has three sides, three angles and three vertices. Okay, the sides of triangle are AB, AC and BC. These are the three sides of triangle. So three sides of triangle are AB, AC and BC. These are the three sides of triangle. There are three angles. First is angle BAC, this angle. Then angle ACB, this angle, and angle ABC. There are three angles in a triangle and the angles are angle ABC, angle BAC and angle ACB. These are the three angles of a triangle and there are three vertices of triangle and that vertices are A, B and C. Okay, vertices are A, B and C. So triangle has three sides AB, AC and BC, three angles, angle ABC, angle BAC and angle ACB and three vertices A, B and C. The symbol for a triangle is this. Okay, this is the symbol for a triangle. The triangle ABC can also be called as triangle BCA or triangle CAB or triangle BAC, okay, or ACB or CBA. We can call triangle ABC as BCA, CAB, BAC, ACB और CBA. कुछ भी हम कह सकते हैं, ठीक है. ट्राइंगल ABC को इनमें से हम कुछ भी कह सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट कम्स टाइप्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स. Triangles are divided into three types depending on the length of their sides. Okay, triangles are divided into three types depending on their length of their sides. First is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the three sides of the triangle are equal. Okay, if this is an equilateral triangle, then all the three sides are equal, means AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Okay, all these three sides are equal in an equilateral triangle and all the angles are of measure 60 degree. The measure of each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. That means angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. All the angles are equal and their measure is 60 degree. Okay, this is an equilateral triangle. So in an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal and the measure of each angle is 60 degree. Second is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. If this is an isosceles triangle, then two sides are equal. That means AB is equal to AC. Okay, in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So AB is equal to AC and the unequal side is called the base. This is the unequal side. Fine, these two sides are equal and this is an unequal side. So this unequal side is called the base and the angle formed by the equal sides with the base. जो equal sides base के साथ जो angle बना रही हैं, this side is making an angle with base here and this side is making an angle with base here. So these two angles are also equal. Okay, the angles formed by the equal side with the base are equal. So angle B is equal to angle C. So this is all about the isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. The unequal side is called the base and the angle formed by the equal side with the base are equal. Fine. Third is scale and triangle. What is a scale and triangle? In scale and triangle, all the sides are of different length. Okay, the length of every side in scale and triangle is different. Means all sides are unequal and all the angles are also unequal. कोई भी साइड जो है सेम लेंथ की नहीं होती, सभी साइड्स की लेंथ डिफरेंट होती है और सभी एंगल्स भी क्या होते हैं, डिफरेंट होते हैं, डिफरेंट मेजर के होते हैं. सो दिस इज अ स्केल एंड ट्राइंगल. Triangles are also divided into three types depending on their angles. Okay, on the basis of sides, triangle was divided into three types. First was equilateral triangle, second was isosceles triangle, and third was scalene triangle. And on the basis of angles, the triangles are again divided into three types. First is acute angle triangle, second is obtuse angle triangle, and third is right angle triangle. First is acute angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, all the three angles of triangle are acute. Okay, in this triangle ABC, see, all the angles are acute, means the angles whose measure is less than 90 degree are called acute angles, that I have explained you in the video of angles. And here you can see that all the angles are less than 90 degree. The measure of every angle is less than 90 degree. That means all these angles are acute angles. So in acute angle triangle, all the angles are acute. Fine. Second is obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, one of the angle is obtuse. Okay, एक एंगल हमारा क्या होता है, obtuse होता है, and remaining two are acute angles. Okay, in obtuse angle triangle, one of the angle is obtuse and the other two angles are acute. These two angles are acute angles and this is an obtuse angle. What is an obtuse angle? An angle whose measure is greater than 90 but less than 180. So here this angle is an obtuse angle and these two angles are acute angle. So this is an obtuse angled triangle. Third is right angle triangle. What is a right angle triangle? In right angle triangle, one angle measures 90 degree. एक एंगल तो जो है वो 90 डिग्री का होता है and the remaining two angles are acute angles. Fine. In right angle triangle, the measure of one angle is 90 degree and other two angles are acute angles. And remember one thing, the side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Okay, right angle के opposite जो side होती है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, hypotenuse बोलते हैं. Okay, इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, base बोलते हैं और इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, perpendicular बोलते हैं. In right angle triangle, the side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. This is called base and this is called perpendicular, or you can say height, or you can say altitude. Okay, so that's all about the triangles.